In this video, we're going to go over creating custom menus. Custom navigation features are another great feature of WordPress. This feature allows you to create custom menus in place of your theme's default menus. So starting from the dashboard, we're going to head over here to our appearance, and from there scroll down and click on the menu link. So from here you can get an idea that custom menus can contain links to pages, categories, custom links, or other content types. You can also specify a different navigation label for a menu item as well as assign other attributes. So if your theme includes more than one menu location, you can choose whichever custom menu to associate with each. You can also use custom menus in conjunction with custom widgets. Let's go ahead and get started and name our first menu. Once we come up with the name, you'll hit create menu, and now we can start adding items. So for starters, you have a list here of the pages, posts, custom links, and categories. These are all different items you can add to your menu. So we'll go ahead and start with pages. Let's say I want to add all of them. So we'll hit select all, click add menu. From here, not only can you change the order of these, but you can also nest them, as you can see. So let's go ahead and nest all of these. Another way to nest these menu items is click down the drop down box, and from here you can either move them down, move them up, or unnest them if you'd like. You can also completely remove the page. Now that we're happy with these items and how they're nested, let's go ahead and add a custom link. So we'll come over here. It's just and we'll add this to the menu as well. Now we'll come down here to our menu settings, and let's have this menu display horizontally across our home page. We'll save it and we'll go take a look at it. And up here to our right is our custom menu. Here's our home, our about us, our contact page, sample page, and here's that custom link we just added. Now that you know how to add custom menus to your WordPress site, if you still have questions or need some help, you can always head up here to your help tab, where you'll get a brief overview and links to support and documentation over menus.